Hey, good evening, folks. Once again, happy Friday the 13th. We did the earlier beer, which was the last of the Germans, which was a delicious beer. Let's fix this camera a little bit. Now we're going to move on into Oktoberfest land. So this, BreckenRidge Oktoberfest, and BreckenRidge breaks my heart. Made some really good beers, and then they got bought out. And so if it's your company and you want to sell it, that's all well and good. I get you, but I believe they got bought by AB Inbev, and AB Inbev is just one of these giant globalist horrible corporations. You see them, they make most of your race car beers along with their main competitor, best friend, Miller Coors or Miller Molson Coors or Molson Coors Miller, whatever the fuck. These giant corporations gobbling up everything tend to piss me off, because while this is probably going to be a really delicious Marzen, which is just a really dark lager, I can't trust them not to be fucking poisoning me, because that's what they do. Well, we need to bulk source to bring price down, and if we're going to bulk source, we'll just use the same shit we're putting in the rest of our beers. The rest of your beers are fucking poison. They all test positive for glyphosate. We just did a German. What do the Germans put in their beers? Water, malted barley, hops, yeast. Not a fucking super hard recipe. The Germans been making Marzens for a long time. All for 4 fucking ingredients. Anyway, today is Friday the 13th, and I told you in the last video I had my chunk of silver in my pocket. Because I don't trust people, because there are Fruit Loops out there that, new bottle opener. Pin-up girl in a halter top and little short shorts. I'm an inveterate collector of crap, and I like shit like this. There are idiots out there that describe themselves as tube of toothpaste and shit, so... Okay, how the fuck do I know they're not going to turn into a wear tube of toothpaste? Come after me. In which case, I'm going to take this ounce of silver I have laying on the table and give them a big old Pepsi dent right in the fucking forehead. That is a pretty beer. BreckenRidge really had a good BrewMeister. It turned out some really solid beers. Pay no attention to the bullshit on the label. Bartender gave me the glass. People start to recognize you and they give you shit. I'm okay with that. I am alright with people giving me stuff. You can give me shit literally on the internet. I don't fucking care. Some moron on Gab. I'm gonna guess he was from the UK. He's giving me shit about an independence thing. Oh, you were fucking British then. And I'm like, I think we stopped being British in 1775 when we threw you the fuck out of the country and decided to be Americans. Don't feed the trolls. Don't feed the trolls. And this idiot came back like 4 times on top of me. Everything he said proved my point. Well, you were just upstarts and you're traitors, and yeah, we were traitors. We said fuck you when we left. That doesn't make us British anymore. We're no longer citizens of the crown. Fuck you. I really hope that idiot enjoys Brexit. I really hope Brexit goes through, so morons like him are fucked. Anyway, we went with the Dunkelstein. It's Oktoberfest. It's an Oktoberfest glass. It's an Oktoberfest beer. Might as well Oktoberfest the shit out of it. That's a really nice head. Let's give you the stats on this. BreckenRidge Brewery is out of Colorado. This is their Oktoberfest. It's a Marzen lager. Although the internet has it listed as a German amber lager, it's from their Mountain series. They do not give me any hops, or any malts, or any yeast. There is nothing available on the internet. If you were releasing a new beer to the market, call me crazy, you have to test it first. It's got to go through shit before you release it in bulk, en masse, to the open market. Do you not have a fucking social media IT department? shit, half of these kids can't change their own fucking oil, but they know how to design websites and stuff. How fucking hard can it be? And you're a giant global multinational corporation. This is where you want to cut corners on giving people information. Fucking ridiculous. Anyway, literally nothing on the net. 6 IBU, 20 SR, 20 beef, 6 ABV, 20 IBU. I'm going to give the SRM at 8, maybe 10. Let's call it 10 for shits and giggles. Gave me no OG or no original gravity or degrees Plato. And that's it. That's fucking it. Give it a nose. Nice, light, almost vacant. That fucking head's got some staying power though. Sweet. It's a Marzen, so we're going to expect it to be sweet. Let's give it a tongue. You see? Now that's not bad. It's not overly malty. It's not super sweet. Dry and clean on the back end. Super fast burn through the middle. Initial hits. Nice. I'd drink these if they weren't toxic. And this is the problem with, like, BreckenRidge. You own a company, you can sell it out. More power to you. If somebody wants to give me a couple of $1 million and buy my fucking channel, I'll take it. Send me the check. Bring the lawyer over. I'll hire and I'm gone. You know, I'm old, dude, so the rest of my life will be wahinis, bikinis, and beaches. You get a fishing rod and a bottle of beer just about anywhere in the world. A couple of $1 million is going to make it probably Southeast Asia, though. Regardless, neither here nor there. Thanks for checking in, folks. I do not have anything left in the refrigerator. I do have a box I have to send out to Vex. His is coming down towards me. So maybe on the next set, if it comes in on time, we'll start doing his. All right. Thanks for checking in. I will catch you on the next review. Carry your good luck charms. There's tubes of Wear toothpaste out there just looking to bleach your teeth or something. I don't fucking know. Skull.